Hey guys, what's happening? How to fork a project in Replit. So with new updates now, they don't call it forking. They call it framework, right? So it used to be template back in the day, and it used to be called forking too. But now they call it the developer frameworks, right? And instead of forking, you're gonna use the framework to build your own, to build your own app, website, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's say, for example, I'm gonna use the OpenAI node.js. I'm gonna hit use framework instead of forking. If you're ready, you can now just hit use framework and you can get to work, or you can get to work now. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.